Hello my friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to tell you why you can't speak with confidently. Because whenever you try to speak in front of anyone, you have to be careful with your words, your sentence. In order to improve your English, in order to develop yourself, you should start practicing by yourself every time. If you want to speak like a flow, you need to at first train your English. Okay, develop your English. Once you become familiar with this language, you will be able to speak this language with confidence. You know, when I was learning this language, I did the same. All the time I kept practicing while doing household work, while cooking, while cleaning. Every time I used to practice. While cooking, I used to describe what I made. I made rice and curry. But Papa doesn't eat curry. I should have cooked some veggies. Now I'm going to cook some veggies for Papa. In this way, I try to describe in my own way. You know, sometime my mother-in-law would look at me and say, it was acting strange. Because on that time, I kept practicing. And I was obsessed with this language. That's why I improved my English very good and very great way. If you want to speak like me, you have to be obsessed. That's how you will learn this language. And you speak with flow without pausing too much. Try to immerse yourself with this language every time, while doing household work, while going to office, while going to school. Try to immerse yourself. Then you will be able to speak this language with confidence, confidently. By talking to yourself, you are actually training your brain. And this technique really help you to express your thoughts, your ideas more easily, right? So, and you will see within a month how much progress you are going to gain by talking to yourself. So keep practicing every single day. This is what I wanted to share with you. If you like my video, please do subscribe and like my video. I will meet you next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.